front of me is Redmi Note 14s, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. Begin by looking for an app called Files and clicking on it. Then hit Continue. Select Gray switcher next to Allow access to manage all files, and finally choose Download section under Categories. As you can see, after a couple of seconds I can access all of my downloads. To open one of them, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!